Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of colonial. A term that refers to or is characteristic of a colony, colonies. For example, British colonial rule. The second definition of colonial. Colonies are animals and plants that live in them. For example, corals can be solitary or colonial. American pronunciation. Colonial. Colonial. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Colonial. Say. Colonial. Colonial means relating to colony or colonies. Colonial. Colonial. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. All these territories then came under European colonial rule. Now, repeat after me. All these territories then came under European colonial rule. The second practice. During German colonial rule, Bagamoyo was the capital of Tanzania. Now, repeat after me. During German colonial rule, Bagamoyo was the capital of Tanzania.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.